Pakistan is making strides toward resuming direct flights to the U.S. after years of suspension. A 5-member FAA team is set to inspect Pakistan's aviation safety for Category 1 reinstatement. This follows recent resumption of Gulf and UK routes. ARY News says Pakistan has accelerated efforts amid growing confidence from foreign aviation authorities. In Bannu district, militants have armed commercial drones with explosives and deployed them in over 8 attacks targeting Pakistani security posts, injuring civilians. This shift highlights a worrying trend in insurgent tactics. The Pakistan Navy has unveiled its locally designed gunboat, PNS Sahiwal, at Karachi Shipyard. Built by the Platform Design Wing, the vessel features long-range, semi-automatic guns and reflects Pakistan's push for naval indigenization. An Indian company, Ideal Detonators Private Ltd., exported $1.4 million worth of HMX, also known as Octogen, to Russia in December, despite repeated U.S. warnings. HMX is a high-grade explosive used in missile and torpedo warheads. U.S. officials have flagged it as critical to Russia's war effort, but the trade went ahead. India insists the export complied with its non-proliferation laws. You're watching Pakistangeo Defence Updates. Get your trusted updates, not hype. Subscribe now. Pakistan Army Chief Field Marshal Asim Munir recently met with top Chinese political and military leaders. Their talks focused heavily on defense modernization, counter-terrorism tech, and enhanced operational coordination. Both sides emphasized improved interoperability to tackle hybrid and transnational threats. China reaffirmed full confidence in the Pak-China Defense Partnership, acknowledging Pakistan's critical role in regional stability. These discussions underscore a strategic deepening of Sino-Pak military ties. Pakistan is evaluating a proposal to bring all civil armed forces like the Ranger Corps, Frontier Corps, and Coast Guard under a unified command, headed by a 2-star general. This initiative aims to streamline coordination, reduce duplication, and enable faster responses to internal security threats. While still being reviewed, the structure mirrors global best practices for integrated command systems. If implemented, it would significantly improve Pakistan's internal security coordination. In recent talks, Pakistan's Field Marshal Munir and Libyan Commander Lut Haftar agreed to enhance defense-industrial collaboration. The agreement covers technical and training exchanges, joint production initiatives, and shared strategies to address evolving security challenges. Officials described the partnership as a new chapter in cooperation rooted in mutual interests across regional dynamics. This signals growing multinational defense ties focused on capacity building and modernization. At the Royal International Air Tattoo 2025, Pakistan Air Force earned 2 major awards. The JUF 17 Block II received the coveted Spirit of the Meet honor, while a specially liveried C-130H Hercules secured the concours d'elegance. The JUF 17 made its UK debut, showcasing upgraded radar, cockpit, and weapons systems. PAF participation reinforces global recognition of Pakistan's aviation skill and professionalism. The Baloch Liberation Front launched Operation Baam in early July, an 84-strike coordinated offensive across Balochistan. Districts like Surab, Kek, and Panjgur were targeted in what BLF calls the start of a new armed resistance. Authorities report steep rise in militant incidents and increasing infrastructure disruption across the province. Security experts warn this operation signals a significant escalation in the insurgency, requiring focused countermeasures. China's Wuchang shipbuilding facility has launched the second Hangor-Class submarine, named PNS Sahiwal, for Pakistan Navy trials. This is part of a contract for 8 diesel-electric subs built jointly. The new vessel carries torpedoes, anti-ship missiles, and limited special forces accommodation. Naval officials say these submarines will play a key deterrent role in South Asia's maritime security dynamics. From 29 to 30 July, the Indian Air Force will conduct a major aerial drill in the Rajasthan-Gujarat region, including Barmer, Jodhpur, and Jaisalmer. This operation involves frontline fighter jets like Rafale Sukhoi-30 MKIs, Mirage 2000s, and Jaguars, carrying out daytime and nighttime missions. Civilian flights are restricted to ensure safety and realism. The Indian Express. Simultaneously, Pakistan has issued a NOTAM over central and southern airspace until July 29 and has activated naval and air defense alert zones over the Arabian Sea, marking a coordinated show of readiness. While labeled routine, analysts interpret these moves as strategic signaling, both nations maintaining constant air combat preparedness. This shadow boxing continues, reflecting ongoing geopolitical friction and military posturing without active escalation. Major General Rez Amir Baram, Director General of Israel's Ministry of Defense, recently visited New Delhi to strengthen defense collaboration with India. He met with India's defense leadership, including National Security Advisor Ajit Doval and Defense Secretary Rajesh Kumar Singh, to discuss joint R&D, co-production agreements, and strategic tech partnerships. The visit builds on recent operational successes like Israel's Operation Rising Lion, and emphasizes areas such as missile systems, surveillance, cyber defense, and joint industrial ventures aligned with India's Make in India policy. Baram reaffirmed Israel's view of India as a key strategic ally, resilient through global crises. Both sides agreed to explore an institutional framework to formalize long-term defense cooperation, marking a pivotal moment in their evolving strategic relationship. So what do you think? Drop your reply to today's question.